Scattered rain, just our typical summer forecast. And of course, now we have a storm in the Gulf of Mexico, although, as we've been saying, any impacts here look like they will be quite minimal, mainly just some rain as we move into Tuesday. Our temperatures and feels like temperatures pretty high still, although at least today we did get some cloud cover to help and some scattered rain to help with the heat. We did have a flare up of a small shower right over part of the city and into Jefferson Parish near the foot of the causeway over the past hour or so. And before that, we had some scattered rain in different locations, including far north near Kentwood and into Mississippi. Tonight, though, we're expecting things to really calm down. We have north and south shore lows expected in the 70s. And tomorrow, I think there will be less rain around, about a 20% chance. Now, when that happens, of course, that makes it a little harder to cool down at times. So our temperatures will likely soar to about 94. Could feel like about 110. And that lower rain chance you can see here with our high resolution model. There are some clouds tomorrow. This is by 1 p.m. Sunday, but this is about all that our high resolution model has for us for tomorrow. 4 p.m. a scattered shower or storm, and then through the evening it looks pretty quiet as well. We'll take it into Monday, and you can see it still looks like a little bit of a quieter setup, and that is because we are looking for sometimes when there is a storm nearby, like Beryl, it can cause subsidence in other spots near and surrounding the system. So even though Beryl is out there, it's not too far, it's in the Gulf, but it may cut down on our rain chances tomorrow. Now, our scattered rain is expected Tuesday from Beryl, kind of loosely associated with Beryl, really just some moisture that is associated with Beryl. We might get up to 1 to 2 inches. I think that would be on the higher side. We might see a couple of pretty heavy downpours, maybe bringing a bit more than that in spots. We're also looking for higher than normal tides early this week, maybe 1 to 2 or maybe up to 3 feet higher than normal tides. So no real surge, but just that tide running higher, and then choppy seas off the coast. It looks like Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe 2 to 4 or so feet for those seas. Here's the latest on Beryl as of 10 p.m. It is a tropical storm. Its winds have not really changed very much, but we may see this starting to strengthen tomorrow because the wind shear will go down, and that may allow it to tap into that warm water here just off the coast of Texas. This is its position potentially Monday morning, 7 a.m. So you can see we shouldn't get too, enmeshed in where exactly this is with the cone of uncertainty, but probably somewhere around Corpus Christi to about Galveston, probably to the southwest of Houston. This will make landfall. And again, this looks like about Monday morning's position. So landfall, again, maybe near Victoria would be early in the day on Monday. Then it weakens, of course, but interestingly for us, like I was pointing out, it's when it gets to its northern position. Once it's north of us, it will start to drag in some rain for us. So that's why we're waiting really more till Tuesday to get any sort of rain from this system. Our upper pattern shows the trough right here over Texas, 2 highs out to either side, and it just gets directed straight into that spot where the National Hurricane Center has had that track for many days now. Our tropical watches and warnings, a big chunk of the southeast Texas coast in red under a hurricane warning, and then also you saw the orange, and that would be for the Houston area, so gearing up for some tropical storm force winds possible there. Storm surge potential is much higher for Texas. Again, for us, we're talking about tides just a bit higher than normal, and rain for us, blues and purples are 1 to 2 inches. So we'll see if we get that, maybe a little more in spots, as I said. This is for the next 7 days, though. And note, of course, that spot where it comes onshore in Texas, looking for those oranges, that's about 5 to 7 inches. So quick check on our European forecast showing this is Monday morning, moving inland. Here we are on Tuesday looking for the scattered rain. So that's why we have our highest rain chance. Then maybe into Wednesday, a few leftover showers still, as that moisture may still be around. And the rest of the week looks pretty typical, 30% rain chance and getting a little hotter.
All right, Alexandra, thank you. Tomorrow is expected